Okay, so welcome to another showcase video of a new plugin called NPCKit. So you can create NPCs and interact with these and make kits and actually receive the kits granted to these NPCs with a cooldown timer and some permission to it. Yeah, so let's dive right into the showcase and I will explain all the details right now. So I made a little shop front row here, and you go wherever you like on your server to create this NPC. First things first, you have to grant yourself the permission NPCKit and create NPC. So keep in mind this is the admin permission. So if you grant yourself or others this permission, everybody with this permission can create and delete kits and NPCs. Give yourself some clothing here, and you can actually, as you can see, skin the clothing as well. So the hoodie has the Twitch Rivals hoodie, Twitch Rivals skin on it, and the NPC will actually have the skins as well granted to the bodies. So now just create the NPC again. Give it a name, and as you can see, now the NPC has the Twitch Rivals hoodie and some pants and shoes as well. So now you can create a kit by leaving everything out of your inventory except the things you want to have in your kit. For this kit I want to have 1000 rifle ammunition and a AK. If you want something else, just put it in your inventory. If you want to have clothing into the kit as well, you have to put the clothing into your inventory or into the wearing container here, and just go to your NPC and interact with the E key on your keyboard. As you can see, he's waving in the background there. You can't really see it, but if you exit the UI, you will see he's waving you for saying goodbye. It's actually a nice little neat feature. So interact with E, hit edit, and then create the kit. So you enter a kit name, for example, weapon. You can give it a cooldown in seconds. So if you want to have this kit only be receivable every 24 hours, you have to calculate the 24 hours into seconds. For this kit I just choose like 5 minutes now, so 300 seconds, and I want this to be a VIP permissions kit. So everybody on my server who has the VIP permission or VIP, he will be able to receive the kit through this NPC, but you can of course do some default kits as well. So just grant the default permission to this kit and give all your normal players the default permission. So for this one I hit VIP permission, just hit it once, and then it's set into the kit, and then you hit create kit to actually create the kit, or you can abort the kit if you made a mistake on the name or cooldown, or you wanted to have a default permission. You can just abort the whole process and start over again. For this I create it now, and as you can see, kit weapon successfully created, and it shows in the kits UI as well if you interact with the E key. And as an admin, or as the person who has this admin permission, create NPC, you actually can delete the kits as well. If I revoke this permission and hit enter, this is how it would look like if a normal player would go and interact with this NPC. He would just see the weapon button here, and if he hits this button, clicks this button, it actually says you don't have the permission for this kit. So this is because you have to grant, of course, the VIP permission for this kit. So I don't have the VIP permission, so I couldn't receive the kit. If I grant myself the VIP permission and now try to create or receive the kit, you can see you received the kit weapon, and I got now a second AK and a 1000 ammunition as well. So this worked actually perfectly, and if I grant myself the create NPC permission again, I can see the edit button again and the weapons button with this little X here. So this means you can delete this weapons kit. Keep in mind though that you can't actually create another kit with the same name. You have to create a separate kit, so actually a separate name. So each name can only be available once, each kit name. So the next kit would have the name weapon 2, alright, and a cooldown of 0 seconds, and it's a default kit right now, and I create this kit. So this works because it has a 2 in this name, and you see the different color here actually means it's a default kit. So the colors here on the buttons, they actually match the colors here on the kit buttons. And if I hit this kit right now, I can't actually receive it because I don't have the default permission. So I again go into the permissions manager, grant myself default, and now I can create the kit. Right, so for showcase purpose now, I will create a test kit of cooldown 0 seconds and another test 2 kit with 0 seconds with permission, and another test kit with test 3 with default permission and cooldown 0 seconds. And as you can see now, I have created more kits than actually be able to be visible on this one page here. I created 5 kits and you can only see 4 on the first side. As you can see, a new button here shows up for a second page. You just click this button and you go to the second page of this kit's UI, and you will be displayed a 5th kit here in this UI, which you can receive again, of course, and you can go back and forth to receive all the kits. And or if you're admin permission, you can just delete this kit, you go back into this first page, and then the button actually disappears because you only have now 4 kits, and you can delete all of these kits, leaving just one, or delete every single kit out of this NPC. Yeah, so, and if you want to delete the NPC, you just go into the edit section, and down here it says delete NPC. You just hit delete, and this NPC is gone forever, and all the associated kits would be gone as well if you haven't deleted them in first hand. So yeah, to show you the cooldown section, I create a NPC again real quick. So give it a name, create. So, and again, this is another thing you have to keep in mind. You just can have names in one line, so with no spaces in between, so just one straight word, and then give it a cooldown of 5 minutes, make it a VIP kit, create kit. Now I can receive this one time. It actually throws me a lot of AKs in here because every time I create the kit with the whole inventory. And now if I try to get this kit again, I actually can't, because it says you have to wait 4 minutes and 46 seconds to be able to receive the kit again. So if I now would go again and again and again, you see the time will go down 38 seconds, 37, 36 seconds. So this actually works, and if it hits 0 all the way, then you can receive the kit again. Yeah, that's it for this showcase video. I hope you like this plugin, and yeah, so if you have any questions or suggestions, just let me know in the discussions section on Codefling, and yeah, enjoy this plugin.